Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export videos and audio on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want to export, select the project, I guess. Well, you probably would have added some effects and stuff like that, but you're just going to simply select the export button. You're going to select the folder you want the video to be in, and then you are going to select the resolution that you want it to be in, the bitrate and stuff, the format, and the frame rate. This is usually the resolution that I go with is 180p, and then you're just going to select export. You can also select between these formats, or if you want to export audio only, you're going to select audio. Okay, I have this muted so it's unavailable, but to export just the audio, you can select export audio, and you can select from these formats and just press the export button. And the video will be in this folder. You can also name the file as well here. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!